So yun, what's up mga kawais na. So for today's video, no, explain ko muna that there are two types of life insurances. One is yung traditional, which is na-explain ko sa previous video, yung Elite 10 plan, which is guaranteed yung returns and hindi nagre-rely sa investment performance yung makukuha mong benefit. Unlike here sa video today, the Sun Maxilink Prime is a VUL type of insurance, which is also known as the variable unit link or variable universal life. So para malinaw lang, there are two types of insurance. The traditional, yung Elite 10 na sa previous video ko, traditional yon. And number 2 is the VUL or the variable unit linked or universal life kasi it's linked to an investment component. Kumbaga, the Sun Maxilink Prime is a VUL plan, a 2-in-1 life insurance plus investment plan. So if you want a plan that has a little of everything, I think this plan is perfect for beginners, starters. Kasi ako, personally, I have this kind of plan. And if you are also the type of person that wants to have an investment component added to his financial portfolio, you might want to consider this plan. And I've also made a PowerPoint presentation that I will be presenting later na sobrang daling itindihan, sobrang bilis lang, concise lang. And if you want to know more about this plan and if you think this is for you, no, watch lang yung video na to. So actually, what you are seeing in the screen is actually the summary of the product na Sun Maxilink Prime na ina-offer ni Sun Life. You can pause it and read it lang, no? So I'll continue na sa PowerPoint ko. So let me first introduce myself, no? I am James. I am a licensed Sun Life financial advisor and I can help you with any of this. And here are my contact details and my social media platforms. Meron na IG, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, James Grande din. If you have any questions, you can message me there. If you want to avail any of the plans of Sun Life or if interested ka dito, DM me lang. Don't hesitate to ask questions. So let's start discussing Sun Maxilink Prime. So here are the pros of Sun Maxilink Prime. Super bilis lang ng presentation nito, guys. So let's go, pag-usapan na natin. So it is a VUL plan, no? There are two types of insurance, sabi ko nga, and this plan is a VUL plan. So if you want a life insurance plus investment 2-in-1, no, this plan is perfect for you and perfect for beginners as well. As for me, I have this as my first plan, no, Sun Maxilink Prime. Number 2, yun nga, it's a 2-in-1 insurance plus investment plan. That's a pros. Number 3, if super busy ka na sa trabaho mo or wala ka ng time mag-research or anything about stock market, economy, or other investments, merong professional fund management na magmamanage nung investment mo. Kumbaga, it is gonna be the professional fund managers who will be allocating the funds to different equity stocks or depende sa mapipili mo, and help ka rin advisor mo kung saang fund i-allocate yung mga binabayad mo. So basically, if you do not have the time, you can just let other professionals, hindi lang other people to, these are professional fund managers who are expert in this field, no? They will be managing your investment funds. Yun yung kinaganda ng plan na to. Number 4, yun nga, it has a maximum life insurance coverage, 200% or 2 times of your face amount. So if 1 million yung in-avail mo, if ever may mangyari man sa'yo or kunin ka ni Lord, kung 1 million yan, magiging 2 million yung ma-receive ng mga beneficiaries mo or yung mga mahal mo sa buhay na inassign mo. Diba? Yun naman yung kinaganda ng life insurance eh. You have the peace of mind knowing that if you are a breadwinner or you have someone dependent on you, if ever something happens to you, diba? That's already painful eh. Alam naman natin na super painful mawala, the emotional struggle is there, diba? Pero ang mas painful ba dun is if nawala na yung breadwinner or yung talagang source of income sa family. What if wala kang life insurance, diba? Hindi ka makakabangon agad, wala kang grace period to kumbaga makatayo sa sarili mong paa. So that's the value of life insurance. It gives you kumbaga a time period to adjust para makatayo ka sa sarili mong paa, and the life insurance face amount or in that benefit na makuha is very, very beneficial to the loved ones na maiiwan mo. So basically, it's also a limited paying period, no? You're gonna be paying for 10 years, pwede 15 or 20. Limited lang yung paying mo. So no need ka mag-pay for life, no? You have the option to pay for 10, 15 or 20. So basically it's also an affordable plan, no? So, sabi ko nga, this plan kaya siya 24,000 annually, pwedeng 18,000 annually, and again it varies from age to age. Syempre, the younger the better. Mas mura pag bata kasi wala ka pang risk eh, 'di ba? The best time to get insurance is when you do not need it. It's when you are healthy, kasi habang tumatanda tayo, the risk is getting high of getting sickness, 'di ba? That's natural naman as we age. So ayun, it's affordable. So it also has riders. Kumbaga riders, these are top-ups or add-ons. Simple term na lang, add-ons. So TDB, that's what you call temporary disable, temporary disability benefit or TDB. So AD is naman accidental disability benefit or accidental disability dismemberment. And may mga medical riders din tayo such as CIB, critical illness benefit, and yung hospital income benefit, no? So kung hindi ka kontento sa mismong plan lang na investment in insurance, you can add these add-ons. Kaya nga add-ons eh, no? So if ever man ma-hospital ka, you're gonna have hospital allowance. If may critical illness ka, kumbaga meron sa Sun Life list na mga critical illness. If ever ma-diagnose ka with one of those specific illnesses, you're gonna be receiving a benefit, a cash benefit na makakatulong talaga in times of those struggle. Number 8, ang kinaganda rin dito is if nakapag-save ka every month, di ba? You can top up to increase your investment exposure. Kumbaga same sa stock market, di ba? I mean, may mga nakikita ko, you can start as low as 5,000. Yeah, for beginner, that's very recommended because you're gonna feel how the stock market works, how it really works kasi when you immerse yourself into it, doon mo maintindihan how it works eh. Pero if realistically speaking, you need bigger funds. I mean, you start small pero realistically speaking, you need also bigger funds to, kumbaga, expose yourself to the market to have higher returns. Yung real talk lang na you can start small, di ba? You gradually build from that, and as you save enough money, you can top up, no? So ipaubaya mo na sa mga fund management ng mga fund managers. So it's also flexible yung premium payment, pwedeng monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, and annually. So ito na yung katanungan, how much yung minimum? Usually around 15 to 20k annually. So if gusto mo mag-start, you can start naman with this, yung minimum eh. Pero if you have the budget naman, you can increase this naman like 50k, 80k, 100k. It depends on you. Kasi the higher you pay, the higher premiums you have, the higher investment exposure, the higher risk, and the higher reward. Lagi natin narinig yun. High risk, high reward yung plan na to. So there are also cons. Siyempre, well, let's balance the weighing scale. Now, there are also cons of this plan. So let's talk about it. Tara. So ito na yan, isang slide na lang. So basically, it's expensive than term insurance. Term insurance is a type of traditional insurance. Kumbaga, term is like a pure life insurance lang. And minsan sinasuggest ko rin, if familiar kayo guys sa BTID, it's called buy term insurance, and you're gonna invest the difference. Kasi basically VUL is more expensive than term because primarily of professional fund management fees and charges. So if you don't want those charges, you can just buy pure term and you're gonna invest the difference na. Kumbaga, if marunong ka mag-invest on your own on stock market, if marunong ka mag-invest on other money-making assets, business, franchise, online marketing, e-commerce, and everything, ikaw na mismo yung mag-invest. You don't let the professional fund managers do the investment decisions for you if marunong ka. Kasi yung pros talaga nito is the professional fund managers are the one doing the investment decisions, and wala ka nang ginagawa kung hindi bayaran sila. If ayaw mo sila bayaran, you settle for the BTID or the buy term and invest the difference. So another is you may be required to pay after 10 years to keep the policy in force. So may mga babayaran ka pang mga maliliit na charges lang naman after 10 years, no? And yun nga, may professional fund management fees. Syempre wala namang libre, like you're gonna assign a certain person who is an expert on that field. Syempre you're gonna pay for that, di ba? So sabi ko nga, it's not guaranteed. It's high risk, high reward. It's dependent on investment performance. It's dependent on the economy. Kung malakas ang market, malamang up yung fund value. So kung short term ka lang, gusto mo 1 year, 2 years, withdraw agad, 5 years, withdraw agad, this plan is not for you, unfortunately. So if you're gonna avail this plan, you should have the view na you're not gonna touch this for around 10 to 15 years kasi nga long term eh. If you want the investment performance to grow, diba, dapat long term. If you want to appreciate, if you want your fund value to appreciate, you've got to wait for long term. Kasi if this plan is more on life insurance than investment, realistically speaking, diba? More on life insurance siya plus additional lang ng investment, no? If pure investment yung hanap mo, suggestion ko is mutual funds eh. Mutual funds or mga basta mutual funds, bonds, mga ganun. So same sa lahat ng life insurance plans ni Sun Life. Habang tumatanda tayo, mas mahal yung babayaran mo kasi nga mas lumalapit yung risk na magkasakit tayo as we age, and that's part of life. And trivia lang na mas mahal ang premium ng lalaki kesa sa babae kasi life expectancy based on research na mas mabilis daw mamatay ang lalaki kesa sa babae. So ayun, that's it mga kawais, na super brief lang ng presentation about Sun Maxilink Prime. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, any comments, or if you want to avail the plan of Maxilink Prime, you can message me, kahit text pa man yan, Facebook, Instagram, FB, TikTok. I will be willing and happy to help and serve you guys. And yan, I hope I was able to give value. I hope meron kayong natutunan. Paki-like, subscribe, share sa mga marami para marami pa tayong ma-educate na Filipino people. So be wise, be smart. Be smart. #TheWiserFilipino signing off. See you soon. God bless.